Before you can go live on the Twitter app, you will need to grant the app permission to access your camera and microphone, which the app will prompt you to do. Open the Twitter app and tap the circle icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to open a new tweet. Tap the camera icon. In the lower right-hand corner, tap Live. Before you go live, you can first add any text you would like to include with the video stream in the text field at the top. You can also tap Invite Guests to send an invite to your live stream via direct message once you are live. If you only want to stream audio, tap the microphone icon in the upper right-hand corner before going live. Once you are ready to go live, tap the Go Live button at the bottom of the screen. To end your live stream, tap the X in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see options to edit the broadcast or view stats if you'd like.